Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to tell you guys about a secure Visa credit card that you guys can apply for and you don't have to worry about getting a credit check. I know I told you guys can apply for Capital One. I also told you guys if for some reason you know your credit is so bad that Capital One won't give you a credit card, you guys can apply for Open Sky. Now, a lot of people have a lot of complaints about Open Sky, and one of the main complaints that people have about Open Sky is the point that when you pay your bill with Open Sky, they're going to wait a week to make those funds available. So say if you pay, $300 on your Open Sky credit card, you're not going to have that $300 available until 1 week, which is a huge problem. So I have this secure credit card for you guys. I definitely want you guys to apply for it, but we're going to do all of that here together. So the secure credit card is with Academy Bank, you guys. So with this secure credit card, you can start with a limit from $300 to $3,000. And the best thing about this account is that you're not going to have an application fee. They're going to report to all three credit bureaus, and it will graduate. They will graduate and increase your credit score, not your credit score, but increase your limit. It should increase your credit score still, though, because it is a secure credit card, but you want to find a credit card that can graduate. Open Sky does not graduate, so this is a great credit card for you guys. Now, your APR is going to be 20.99%. One of the downfalls about this account is that there is a $39 annual fee, so that means every year you're going to be paying an annual fee for this credit card. But for those people that want a card that can graduate and they want to make sure that they have more options out there other than just Open Sky. If they know they have bad credit right now, then this is a great card for you because a lot of the other cards do not graduate. So let's go ahead and get into this application. So we're going to click apply now and give my computer a little time. Now they're saying that when you apply for this credit card, they're saying that you're going to need your actual driver's license or your government issued ID. You're going to need your social security number, your date of birth, your home address, and your email address. So remember, whatever you put down is your deposit, because secure credit cards, you have to put a deposit down. You could put anywhere from $300 to $3,000 down. But say if you decide you want to put down $600 as your deposit, you want a $600 limit, then that's how much you have to put down. It's a $600 deposit. If you want a $3,000 limit, you'll put down a $3,000 deposit. But you'll let them know whether or not you're single or you're doing joint. So let's go ahead and start filling some of this stuff out now. And remember, you guys, I'm just showing you like how to fill out application. So don't take anything like this. Don't think this information is going to be real. And then also just make sure that you understand, put your information in, make sure it's correct to you. So the first thing they're going to need is our first name. If you have a middle name, then you'll go ahead and put that there. Put your email address and your last name. There we go. Oh, it's saying it's not a valid email address. Let me put my real email address in there. So yeah, go ahead and put your email address in there, and I'm just going to copy it instead of retyping it. Go ahead and type your social in and put your date of birth in. So whatever your date of birth is, go ahead and put your date of birth in. Now, when you're filling out these applications, understand that they're saying that they're not going to pull your credit as in a hard pull. They're still going to pull your credit as in a soft pull because they want to make sure that you're an actual person. So understand that you may get that soft pull. And go ahead and put your phone number in. If you have another phone number that you want them to call, go ahead and put your other phone number in that you want them to call. Your residential status. Do you own, do you rent, or other? Which one is it? Let's put own. Years at your current address. How many years have you been at your current address? Let's say 5 years. What is the monthly rent for your mortgage? $2,600. And then they ask him, what is the address of that property? So let's type a few things in, and their system seems like they're on it. They're going to see that this is not true. But I want you guys to see like how to go line by line, because I see a lot of people that really don't know how to fill out these applications, and I want to teach you exactly how it's done. Okay, perfect. So is this the same as your mailing address? Yes. Now, if you have a different mailing address, go ahead and put a different mailing address in. Now, they're saying a primary applicant liability. What's your current monthly auto loan payments? They want to know too much about what's going on. Your current monthly credit card payments. $15. Child support obligations. If you have to pay any alimony, go ahead and put it there. And then they want to know some security data, like what's your place of birth? Tampa, Tampa, Florida. You're a citizen of the United States. If you guys have done applications before, then you know that it's really not this much. What is your mom's maiden name? So go ahead and put that in. And then remember, you guys, you have to put your driver's license in here, your state issued ID. If you have your military ID, you put that in, or your passport. So those are the different things you can put in for your identification. A lot of companies do not ask for this information, you guys, but I guess this company wants to know everything about you. And then they want to know what state was it actually issued in. So you'll go ahead and put where it was issued in. Put your numbers in for your ID. So whatever your ID says, go ahead and type that in. And when does it expire? What is your employment status? So you can put that you're full-time, part-time, self-employed, retired, disabled, student, homemaker, unemployed, or other. Let's put full-time. And then now they're asking for all of our information there. But I'll just go ahead and put a homemaker. Let's say the annual income is 125, 220, 250,000. And then two, they're asking, what's your nearest relative? I don't like this. I don't like that they're asking all this information, but I'll suggest, put some family member information in that I guess that you probably don't talk to, because I wouldn't want anybody to have information, my family have information to my accounts. But if you guys decide that you want to go ahead and finish this application, then I kind of started off showing you what you will have to do. I don't want to click submit because I don't want them to keep this information, but understand that you are able to complete the application for this company. And after you complete the application, they'll let you know whether or not you're approved. But if you're an actual person, you should actually be approved for this secure Visa credit card. And when it comes down to this credit card, don't forget it graduates. And if for your deposit, you're even able to use your credit card. So if you have a credit card already, instead of using like your cash, you can use your credit card to fund this credit card, which is amazing. So instead of using your debit card, you can actually use your credit card. But if you guys have any questions about this bank, definitely let me know. And again, it's another bank that's similar to this bank. They under the same corporation. I want you guys to definitely look at that bank here. Look at that bank, and that's the Armed Forces Bank. I'm going to do another review on this bank, but you could apply for this credit card. The best thing I like about this one is that there's no annual fee at all. The APR is actually higher, but there's no annual fee. So that's something I really like about this one. No annual fee is something that you should try to get. So definitely check out these different companies. If you guys have any questions, don't forget you can always call or text me 833 Rickita. I'm always here for you guys. And just call or text me. Good luck, everybody. Let me know if you're able to get approved for this credit card, or if you actually have this credit card and you like it. Thank you.